Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the meaning of division and the rules of division, which is very important to solve the division sums. First, we will see what is division. Division means repeated subtraction, splitting into equal parts or groups. Let us understand this with an example. Can you see 6 balloons here? These 6 balloons are divided equally and it has put into 3 groups. Can you see? 2 balloons in one group, 2 balloons in second group and 2 balloons in third group. So what is division? Dividing the things into equal parts or groups. See, when I remove 2 balloons and put in this first group, how many balloons remained? 4 balloons. Again I removed 2 more balloons and I have added in the second group. How many balloons remained? 2. And remaining 2 balloons I have put in the third group. That's why division is known as repeated subtraction. These are the terms used in division. We all know we write division sums like this. So this number 125 is known as dividend. The table which we are going to multiply is divisor. This 31 is quotient and down the answer is remainder. And there is an easy way to recheck whether our division sum is right or wrong. So what we have to do? See, one formula is given. Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. What we have to do? First we have to take 4. That is divisor. With this 4 we have to multiply 31. Then with the answer we have to add the remainder. So it is given 4 multiplied by 31 plus 1. What answer we got? 124 plus 1 and 125. Is it matching with dividend? Yes, and we can be very much sure our answer is right. Rules of division. See, when you remember all the rules, we never make any mistake in division sums. Compare the first number. Rule number 1. If the first number is greater or equal, take only one number. See, in division, we will start solving the sums from the left hand side first number. So first rule is we have to compare the number. Which two number? We have to compare the divisor and this number, first number. When comparing 2 and 2, it is equal. 2 and 4, it is greater. So when the first number is equal or greater, we have to take only one number and start doing division. Say I have taken only one number, 2 ones are 2, then we have to subtract 0, then we have to bring the next number down. In 2 table, 3 is not coming, so we have to start with 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 1. So when it is equal or greater, take only one number. Rule number 2. If the first number is smaller, take two numbers. So we have to compare this divisor and the first number. Now see 3 and 2. The first number is smaller. In that case, we have to take both the numbers together and to do division. Now the next rule is regarding 0. Whenever 0 comes, what are the rules we have to follow? We will see. Rule number 1. When you bring down 0 from the main number, see the before number. If there is any number before 0, continue with normal division. See, 60 is the main number. First I have done 4 ones are 4. After subtracting, I got the answer 2. Now I am going to bring 0 because 0 is the main number and I am going to bring it down. When you bring 0 from the main number, what we have to see? We have to see the before number. So before 0, there is some number. When there is some number, we have to continue with normal division. Rule number 2. When you bring down 0 from the main number, if before number is also 0, put 0 in two places, quotient and down. Again we are bringing 0 from the main number. When you bring 0 from the main number, see the before number. Before number is also 0. So in this case, what we are going to do? We are going to put 0 in two places. 1 0 in quotient place and 1 0 down, and then we have to complete the division sum. Rule number 3. If we want to bring two numbers together from the main number, we have to put 0 in the quotient and continue with division. In normal division, what happens? We always bring one number down, we do the division and then we bring the second number down. There are some division problems where we have to bring two numbers together from the main number. If you see instead of bringing one number down, I have bring 36 together. So when we are bringing two numbers down from the main number, what we have to do? First put 1 0 in the quotient and then continue with division. Rule number 4. When we bring down main number, division cannot be done. Put 0 in quotient and 0 down and complete the sum. Now 7 sevens are 49, I have completed. Now 3. Now 3 I have brought down. Now 3 is the main number what I have brought down. With this 3, 7. Division is not possible. What we have to do? We have to put 0 in quotient, 0 down, and then we have to complete the sums. So when you remember all the rules, division sums is very easy. Thank you and have a nice day.